Big one today, R32 Golf 2006, a 20-year-old Golf with some paint flaking all round, a bit of damage on the front bumper. Let's take a look. Into today's workshop, so the tailgate's prepped. This paint is flaking, I don't know if it's from factory or what, but it's now sanded back. Discussed with the customer, we're going to keep this on because if I take that off, they say the paint will come off with it. Same thing on the door shut, flaky paint. We've got some across the front edge of the roof, some of the local, and the back edge of the bonnet. And we've got the usual low scrape in the front of the bumper. Good day, better get it masked, get it painted, let's go. Fresh off the gun. Monster job. It's looking lovely. Let's do this door shut. Squeeze around here. On the front edge of the roof. Back edge of the bonnet. Front bumper corner. Under there. That was all scraped up. Time to get it dry. Let's go. One wet, miserable day. We've got there. No more peeling paint. Lovely finish. And down the side. Door shut. Looking good. Here's the roof going, here's the bonnet, and the front bumper corner. Quite the bin. Big job, all done. R32 looking good again.